So the function y equals the absolute value of x underwent a couple of transformations, and we have this new function that we're looking at here, and we have to figure out what the equation of this function is. So we start off with y equals the absolute value of x, which looks something like this. So this is y equals the absolute value of x. And it went from here and over. So we can see that there's no horizontal or vertical stretches because it's the same shape. It's just been moved over to the right and then down. So it moved over to the right by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units, and it moved down by 1, 2, 3 units. So we can put our original function, y equals absolute value of x, into a general form that looks like y equals a absolute value b times x minus h plus k. So this is the general form that can describe any transformations, and we know that a and b are both equal to 1 because there's no horizontal or vertical stretches. So we're just left with the absolute value of x minus h plus k. So let's look at the horizontal translation first. If you remember, we said in the general form y equals f of x minus h. If h is greater than 0, it's a shift to the right, and if h is less than 0, it's a shift to the left. So we can see in our case, h is going to be equal to 5 because it moved 5 units over to the right. Okay, that's it for horizontal translation. Now let's do the vertical part. So for the vertical translation, it looked like y equals f of x plus k. And we said when k is greater than 0, it's a shift up. And when k was less than 0, it's a shift down. In our case, we have a shift down by 3 units. So k is equal to -3. So now what we do is we take these two numbers, plug it into our general form, and we should have it. So let's just do it over here. So y equals the absolute value of x minus, our h value is 5, plus, and our k value is -3. So if we write that out, -3, we can see that the right answer is A.